In this short video, I want to go through the methods of how we might help children develop effective mental strategies by bridging through 10. Although bridging through 10 is a method we eventually want learners to be able to do in their heads, the way to teach it to them is through using a number line. So take a calculation like 38 plus 7. The first thing we need to do is find where 38 is on our number line. Well, 35 is about there, so that's 38 is in about there. And then the question is, what have I got to add to 38 to get to 40? Well, that's an easy calculation. Children should have been practicing this and should know, without having to count on in ones, that they need to add 2 to 38 to make 40. That means 2 of the 7 has been added on, so I need to partition the 7 into 2 and 5, and now I've got another 5 to add on, and that's another easy calculation. 5 added on to 40, I can get there straight away, that's 45. And so the answer to 38 plus 7 is 45. It's worth having a conversation with the children that although this may feel more awkward at first than counting on in ones, in the long term it's much, much quicker. Once children have had lots of practice and are confident in adding by bridging through 10, it's then a short step to help them subtract. So let's take a calculation like 43 minus 8. As before, I'm going to find 43. I know it's about there. And the question now is, what have I got to subtract from 43 to get back to 40? Well, again, that's an easy calculation. Children should know that all they have to do is subtract 3. So now I'm partitioning the 8. I've taken off 3. 8 partitions into 3 and 5. So there's another 5 I have to subtract from that, and 5 away from 40. That's another easy calculation. I should know, without counting in ones, that the answer to that is 35. And so 43 minus 8 is 35. And again, as children practice this on the number line and keep talking through what I've just talked through in the same sort of way, then they can start to picture the number line in their heads and work mentally.